So what do you got going on here?
I'm working on a puzzle.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Watching you work on a puzzle?
Oh, really? You like puzzles?
No, I have not the patience for that.
Oh, that's all right, I guess. I want that piece to go there, but it won't go there. Yeah, it has to go there.
How many pieces is that one?
It's only 500.
500?
Yeah. But it's round.
Yep.
That makes it harder.
I would say so.
Yeah, that makes it a lot harder.
So I didn't bring my mic, so it's probably not going to be great audio, but I wanted to see what the audio sounded like in here. I know the windshield wipers, anyway, it's a hot mess, quality content. But before the weather gets really bad, we are going to try to beat the traffic to the El Grocerio Storio and try to get some bread, milk, and eggs. Is that right? Ain't that what everybody gets, bread, milk, and eggs? Why do you suppose that people are, in the year 2024, having to have bread, milk, and eggs?
I don't know. Most people don't cook eggs. They go get them. I don't know.
See, I think it's just the. I think
just
it's
so they can get out.
Yeah, I think it's just a saying that has just been passed down long time ago, whatever, because they're probably just like us. They're actually not going to get bread, milk, and eggs. They're probably going to get, I don't know,
We have bread on our list.
soda, cereal, and gummy worms. Who knows? I mean, I think they're just getting junk.
Yeah, we got bread
But it
on our
sounds
list,
better.
but we don't have eggs and milk.
Yeah, it sounds better though, of course, to get, we're going to get bread, milk, and eggs.
Yeah. I know when I worked at the store, there were people that would come in just to get out. They might get a pack of gum.
A pack of gum. Well, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Just so they could say they were out. Tell people what the roads were like.
Well, right now, they're not bad besides just can't.
Really wet.
Really, really wet. Yeah, absolutely. Rained really, really hard last night. And rained pretty hard this morning.
Yeah. I don't like all this rain.
No.
Makes the
I would like like to see.
ground's soggy and you mix it with this high wind and you're going to get trees down.
Yes, yeah, I don't want that. I would like to see one good snow, because we ain't had a good snow this year yet, but I ain't crazy about them down in number 3 temperatures, no.
Not either.
You can't enjoy it, and it doesn't even make a good snow when it's that cold.
No, when it's wet like this, it just makes it forms of ice. It doesn't make good snow cream.
It's just nasty. All right, then. Let's get down the road. Ooh-wee. Hey folks, sorry about my hair, and you know, I did my hair just a few minutes ago and my makeup, but it was 50 degrees, 55 right at it this morning when we headed out to the old grocery store, and it's 32 now, and the wind is whipping, I tell you. So it's just, that's the way it's going to be. Whew. And it is ducky out here. You know what I'm saying? You see what I mean? Look at you in the mud like that. What do you think, buddy? Huh? What do you think? Huh? Need to be a duck today. Need to be a duck today. Folks, it's supposed to get, interesting, I guess would be the word to use. It's going to get interesting this next 72 hours or so. It went from about 55 degrees yesterday and this morning to, like I said, in just 3 or 4 hours, it is down to 32. We're supposed to get some snow. I don't know about today, probably, because the clouds are still, as you can see, it's still pretty cloudy. This evening, probably some spitting snow, but I think Sunday night, we're supposed to start getting in some snow, and the temperatures are going to fall. It's supposed to be like, like I said, it's going from like 55 one day to 3 degrees the next day. So it's going to be close to zero here. Close to zero here. So, you know, been busy doing a little winterizing. Hey, y'all get out of the woods. Get back up here. They don't mind. They are not going to mind. I don't know if you can see them way down there. See them back there in the woods? Right in there? Yeah. So, disconnected the water hose on the front, and gonna open up my cabinets tonight and leave my water running a little bit. I'm gonna turn my heat up a little bit higher than I like to run it, but you know, got to do that to keep the pipes from busting. Nobody wants that. I don't like doing plumbing. He needs a little privacy. I don't like doing plumbing, let alone 3-degree plumbing. No, do not. Come on, boys. Let's go back up here. Come on. They don't want to mind. I'll be right back. Whew. What do you think? I'm also trying out my new camera here. I don't know if I'm going to keep using it. It does do better videos and pictures, I think. But it don't have near the storage capacity that my other phone has. So, I don't know. I'm just playing. Trying to get some video out, because I ain't had nothing in a while. And this one's probably not going to be much. I just stepped in a nice big mud hole. Whew. Hey, let's go, buddy. Whew. So, like I said, you don't need some, you've heard smell-o-vision. People used to say, you know, boy, if you could smell this, it'd be, well, you need feel-o-vision out here, folks. I'm telling you, it's getting cold. It is getting cold. And I've got to try to disconnect this one, but I can't do it with one hand. I'm gonna have to wait a minute. You guys, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Got that one done. Now I've lost my doggies. Don't know where they went. Whew! Where'd you boys go? What are you doing, Ollie? What are you doing? Come on, man. We're fixing to have to go in because I am frozen. Whew! I'm frozen, buddy. I've still got to put ducks and chickens up. I probably need to put a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it back there, put a little bit of plastic on the window and stuff. Did what we could. I mean, you know, you can't do it all, especially when it's this cold. I'm going in. Bye. You caught me. I was bringing in some last minute firewood for the fireplace. And then boys, look at it. Or don't look at them. I don't. It's not going to let me switch. Sorry, I'm getting used to these new gadget technology things. Folks, hope you stay safe, stay warm. Check on your elderly. Just check on your neighbor, okay? Because it's going to get cold if you live around here. If you've got a, you know, ramp like this or steps or something, more than likely in the morning when you wake up, they're going to be slick. So, you know, throw a little salt out. Be careful. Don't fall. I'm sorry I haven't put out a lot of videos here lately. It's just been, you know, weather's been nasty. The garden definitely isn't growing. You know, been doing a little bit of cooking and stuff, but you know what? No excuses. No excuses. I've just been fat and lazy. Yep. Oh yeah. Make some more noise. Just fat and lazy, folks. That's all it's been. And maybe we'll start picking up a little bit more quality content. I don't know. I really don't. It about fell right there. I'm going to put some salt out before it even starts coming down. You know what I mean? It's slick. Slick. Folks, come back and see us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah. We're just trying to do, you know, video stuff here. That's all. Just video stuff. Just quality content. That's all. That's all. Come back and see us, folks, right here at Little Nuts Farm. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, that was Choke D's Thai restaurant we went to in Ash Flat, Arkansas. Mwah, great. And I recommend the Thai asparagus with beef and the hot Thai sausage. It's wonderful. Come back and see us, folks. Bye-bye.